Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Business Pod. Today, we're diving into one of the most dynamic business hubs in Dubai, a place that's not only a magnet for startups, but also a hub for multinational and international entrepreneurs. Join us as we uncover what lies within this bustling center of innovation and opportunity. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur, a seasoned multinational company, or an international innovator, understanding the ecosystem of this hub is crucial. Throughout this video, we'll delve into how this hub supports startups, facilitates growth for multinational corporations, and provides a fertile ground for international entrepreneurs. From its strategic location to its comprehensive infrastructure and supportive policies, there's so much to uncover. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets and opportunities that await within this dynamic hub in Dubai. Let's empower your entrepreneurial journey together. As we embark on our exploration of TCOM Authority, we will engage in detailed discussions regarding the multifaceted dynamics of its business communities. Our focus will be on analyzing the strategic impact, operational frameworks, collaborative opportunities, and the challenges that businesses within TCOM Authority face. Through this discourse, we'll aim to foster insights and facilitate knowledge sharing among industry leaders and stakeholders alike. First, we'll explore DDA's 12 specialized communities and business parks. This includes Dubai Internet City, Dubai Media City, Dubai Knowledge Park, Dubai Design District or D3, and more. Each community is tailored to foster innovation and growth in specific industries, contributing significantly to Dubai's economic diversification. Next, we'll delve into the comprehensive spectrum of compliance regulations governing Dubai Development Authority's diverse communities. We'll ravel the intricacies of DDA's regulatory framework, navigate its challenges, and explore its impact on business operations. Additionally, we'll uncover opportunities for growth and development despite the challenges of adhering to these regulations. Finally, we'll examine the challenges and opportunities facing DDA's communities. We'll address global competition, economic fluctuations, and technological advancements, exploring how these factors drive innovation, diversification, and growth opportunities within Dubai's business landscape. Stay tuned as we uncover how DDA communities are shaping Dubai's economic future. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Dubai's vibrant business environment and regulatory frameworks. Dubai Development Authority or DDA, which is formerly known as TCOM Authority, was established in 2000 under the visionary leadership of Dubai Holding. DDA specializes in the development and management of specialized economic zones and business parks aimed at enhancing Dubai's economic landscape. Its primary objectives include attracting investments, nurturing entrepreneurship, and fostering knowledge-based industries crucial for Dubai's sustainable economic development. DDA's strategic initiatives have strategically positioned Dubai as a global hub across diverse sectors such as technology, media, education, healthcare, design, and industrial manufacturing. By creating conducive environments for innovation and collaboration, DDA has played a pivotal role in driving economic diversification and growth. Now let's dive into the expansive range of communities and business parks offered by Dubai Development Authority or DDA. Each of these specialized zones is meticulously crafted to cater to the specific needs of diverse industries, playing a pivotal role in Dubai's strategic vision to excel internationally. These communities serve as incubators for innovation and growth, providing tailored environments that foster collaboration, creativity, and technological advancement. By nurturing the sectors within dedicated ecosystems, DDA not only supports local businesses but also attracts global enterprises seeking to leverage Dubai's dynamic economic landscape for sustained growth and competitive advantage. Dubai Internet City. Dubai Internet City opened its doors in 1999 as the Middle East's foremost technology hub. Dubai Internet City has been instrumental in transforming Dubai's tech landscape, attracting multinational giants like Microsoft, IBM, and Cisco, alongside a dynamic community of startups and SMEs. Known for its advanced infrastructure, collaborative environment, and strategic initiatives, Dubai Internet City has propelled Dubai to the forefront of digital transformation and IT innovation in the region. Dubai Internet City stands as the region's premier specialized business community dedicated to the technology sector, offering a well-balanced blend of commercial spaces, essential services, retail opportunities, vibrant events, and thriving community. Dubai Internet City provides an ideal environment for businesses ranging from ambitious startups to global corporations. It serves as a catalyst for innovation and growth, fostering a dynamic ecosystem where technology driven enterprises can thrive and succeed. Dubai Internet City offers unparalleled infrastructure and a supportive ecosystem that foster innovation and growth, making it essential for companies aiming to thrive in the Middle East technology sector. Moving on to Dubai Media City and Dubai Studio City, these communities are pivotal in shaping Dubai's media, production, and entertainment landscape. Dubai Media City was established in 2001 with a singular mission to position Dubai as the leading media hub in the region. Dubai Media City serves as a vibrant hub for media organizations, advertising agencies, and content creators, facilitating the production and distribution of media content across the Middle East. Dubai Studio City complements Dubai Media City by providing cutting edge facilities tailored for film, TV, and music production, further enhancing Dubai's global reputation as a center for media excellence. Today, these thriving communities offer a dynamic and supportive environment for both regional and international media companies, enabling them to push the boundaries of creativity daily. Explore Dubai Media City and Dubai Studio City's dynamic business environment, which fosters innovation and creativity through a diverse range of specialized products and services. From advanced production studios to collaborative workspaces and industry events, Dubai Media City and Dubai Studio City nurture a culture of innovation that continues to redefine the media and entertainment sectors in the region. What about Dubai Knowledge Park and Dubai International Academic City? Both communities are dedicated to fostering education, research, and academic excellence in Dubai. Dubai Knowledge Park is home to a diverse array of high quality training institutes and recruitment consultancy firms. It offers a comprehensive selection of programs in fields such as human resource management, consultancy, training, and personal development. The community plays a pivotal role in supporting businesses to meet their talent requirements and aims to establish the UAE as knowledge-based economy. As for Dubai International Academic City, it serves as a hub for internationally acclaimed universities and institutions committed to nurturing the UAE's knowledge-based economy. Dubai International Academic City's multi-tiered academic institutions provide unrivaled academic direction through a robust offering of educational events, extracurricular activities, sports, and more. Together, Dubai Knowledge Park and Dubai International Academic City form a dynamic educational ecosystem that fosters innovation, research, and prepares future leaders to excel in their respective fields. Exploring Dubai Science Park, a hub for scientific research and innovation in Dubai. We will venture into how Dubai Science Park is shaping the future of healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and biotechnology. Dubai Science Park is established as a specialized free zone, offers cutting-edge infrastructure and state-of-the-art laboratories. It's designed to attract global companies, research institutions, and startups, fostering a collaborative environment where groundbreaking discoveries thrive. Dubai Science Park's strategic location and robust ecosystem facilitate partnerships between academia, industry, and government. This synergy accelerates research translation into practical applications, driving technological advancements and enhancing Dubai's global competitiveness in science and healthcare. Dubai Science Park is at the forefront of scientific excellence, supporting research initiatives and educational programs that address global challenges. It continues to drive innovation in Dubai's science and health sectors, making significant strides towards a sustainable and innovative future. Next is our journey through Dubai Design District, a vibrant hub for creativity, fashion, and luxury in Dubai. Today, we will explore how D3, in collaboration with N5 and D Quarters, foster innovation and entrepreneurship across the design, fashion, tech, and media sectors. Dubai Design District, known as D3, has established itself as a dynamic hub where design, fashion, and luxury converge. Since its inception, D3 has attracted top-tier designers, creative entrepreneurs, and luxury brands from around the globe. It serves as a catalyst for cultural innovation and artistic expression, setting new trends and standards in Dubai's creative landscape. Supporting D3's vibrant community are N5 and D Quarters, two initiatives dedicated to nurturing startups and entrepreneurs in the design, fashion, tech, and media sectors. N5 provides cutting-edge incubation spaces, state-of-the-art co-working facilities, and mentorship programs tailored to emerging businesses. It fosters collaboration and innovation, empowering startups to transform ideas into successful ventures. Meanwhile, D Quarters offers bespoke support services designed to meet the unique needs of entrepreneurs in creative industries. From specialized business support to networking opportunities and industry-specific events, D Quarters creates an environment where creativity thrives and business flourish. Together, D3, N5, and D Quarters contribute significantly to Dubai's creative economy. They stimulate entrepreneurship, attract investments, and nurture talent in design, fashion, tech, and media. By providing a supportive ecosystem and fostering cross-sector collaboration, they drive innovation and position Dubai as a global hub for creative industries. Now we will have an in-depth look at Dubai Industrial City and Dubai Production City, pivotal zones at the forefront of shaping Dubai's industrial and media landscapes. We will delve into how these zones are driving economic diversification and revolutionizing media production in the region. Dubai Industrial City stands as a specialized zone dedicated to fostering industrial development, manufacturing, and logistics in Dubai. It provides essential infrastructure and state-of-the-art facilities tailored for industries ranging from construction materials and chemicals to machinery and equipment. Dubai Industrial City plays a crucial role in supporting Dubai's industrial diversification strategy by attracting global companies and facilitating their operations within a business-friendly environment. Formerly known as IMPZ, Dubai Production City focuses on the printing, publishing, and related industries, serving as a key facilitator for media production and content creation in the Middle East. Dubai Production City offers specialized infrastructure and integrated services that cater to the unique needs of media professionals and companies. Its strategic location and comprehensive facilities make it an ideal hub for print, publishing, and media-related businesses seeking to capitalize on Dubai's growing media market and regional influence. Together, Dubai Industrial City and Dubai Production City contribute significantly to Dubai's economic landscape. Dubai Industrial City supports industrial growth and diversification, attracting investments and fostering job creation in key sectors. Meanwhile, Dubai Production City enhances Dubai's reputation as a hub for media production, contributing to the growth of the creative economy and promoting cultural exchange through media content creation. Want to hear a comprehensive overview of Dubai Outsource Zone, a cornerstone of Dubai's outsourcing landscape? Join us as we explore how Dubai Outsource Zone's strategic advantages are shaping the future of business process outsourcing in the Middle East. Dubai Outsource Zone serves as a dedicated center for business process outsourcing or BPO, offering a strategic location, advanced infrastructure, and robust regulatory support tailored for global outsourcing firms. Situated in the heart of Dubai, Dubai Outsource Zones attracts BPO companies across various sectors such as IT services, customer support, finance, and human resources. Its state-of-the-art facilities and business-friendly environment are designed to optimize operational efficiency and foster growth for businesses looking to outsource their operations to Dubai. The regulatory framework at Dubai Outsource Zone ensures compliance and reliability, providing a secure operational environment for businesses. These factors combined make Dubai Outsource Zone a preferred destination for global BPO firms seeking to expand their footprint in the Middle East. What are the compliance regulations set by Dubai Development Authority? We're diving into intricate world of compliance regulations that govern Dubai Development Authority's diverse communities. We will unravel how these regulations shape the operational landscape and ensure a robust business environment in Dubai. Understanding DDA's regulatory framework. DDA oversees a multitude of specialized communities, each tailored to specific industries such as technology, media, healthcare, and more. Within these communities, a comprehensive regulatory framework is in place covering critical aspects like company formation, licensing, intellectual property rights, labor laws, environmental standards, and data protection. These regulations are meticulously designed to uphold transparency, integrity, and legal compliance across diverse sectors. Navigating compliance challenges. Startups and multinational enterprises operating within DDA's communities face unique challenges in navigating these regulatory landscapes. From understanding the nuances of local laws to ensuring compliance with international standards, businesses must adopt strategic approaches to mitigate risks and seize opportunities for growth and competitive advantage. Impact on business operations. Compliance isn't just about meeting obligations. It's about creating a foundation of sustainable business operations. By adhering DDA's compliance regulations, businesses not only safeguard their operations but also enhance their credibility and attractiveness to investors and partners. Opportunities for growth and development. Despite the challenges, compliance regulations also present opportunities for innovation and make differentiation. In essence, Adherence to TCOM authorities' stringent compliance regulations not only safeguards businesses but also reinforces Dubai's standing as a preferred destination for investment and business expansion. It underscores the commitment to creating a conducive environment where innovation flourishes, opportunities abound, and sustainable growth is nurtured for the benefit of all stakeholders. Before we sum it up, let's discuss DDA's business communities, highlighting both their successes and the challenges they face. DDA's business communities have thrived amidst challenges such as global competition, economic fluctuations, and technological disruptions. These factors continuously shape the landscape, requiring adaptation and resilience from businesses operating within DDA's diverse sectors. Despite the challenges, Dubai's proactive approach to infrastructure development, innovation initiatives, and regulatory reforms offers significant opportunities for DDA's communities. Strategic investments and supportive policies empower businesses to innovate, diversify, and expand operations. DDA's commitment to attracting global investments and talent fosters sustainable economic growth, positioning Dubai as a leading global business hub. DDA authorities, business communities navigate challenges with resilience, leveraging Dubai's proactive strategies to seize opportunities for growth and innovation. Through strategic investments and supportive policies, DDA continues to drive economic prosperity and sustainability in Dubai's dynamic business landscape. In conclusion, Dubai Development Authority's business communities are known for their remarkable resilience and adaptness in navigating the complexities of the global economic landscape. Drawing on Dubai's proactive strategies, they not only confront challenges head on, but also tactically capitalize on opportunities for sustained growth and continuous innovation. Through deliberate investments in cutting edge infrastructure, technological advancement, and forward thinking policies, DDA plays a pivotal role in fostering a conducive environment for business development across Dubai's diverse sectors. By promoting collaboration, fostering creativity, and nurturing partnership, DDA ensures that businesses thrive in an environment that supports long term economic prosperity and environmental sustainability. By maintaining a commitment to excellence and leveraging Dubai's strategic advances, DDA remains at the forefront of driving innovation and shaping the future of business in the region. And that wraps up our exploration of Dubai Development Authority and its profound impact on Dubai's economic landscape. From technology and media to education, healthcare, and creative industries, DDA's diverse business communities have truly shaped Dubai into a global business hub. We've seen how DDA fosters innovation, attracts international investments, and promotes economic diversification across various sectors. Each community within Dubai Development Authority plays a vital role in Dubai's dynamic business ecosystem, contributing to its resilience and growth. Thank you all for joining us in this journey. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe for more valuable insights into UAE's vibrant business environment and regulatory frameworks. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the latest developments and trends shaping business in the UAE and beyond. Until next time, take care and keep innovating. Goodbye.